Today's step-by-step guide is about how to add social media links to your Facebook business page. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're excited, let's go. Open the Facebook app. Switch to your business page from your profile. Tap on your page's display picture. Select three dots. Tap on Edit. Scroll down to locate the Links tab. Tap on Add. You'll be presented with the options of adding a website link or social media links. Since we're interested in socials, we'll select Add Social Link. Tap Platform. I will go for YouTube, but you'd have to choose your preferred platform. Under Username, you have the option of adding your social link or username prefixed with the @ symbol. Let's go to YouTube and copy the channel link. Tap on You at the bottom right corner. Select View Channel. Here, it's either you copy the channel username prefixed with @ or the channel URL. Let's try the channel URL first. Select Share and copy link. Head back to Facebook to complete the process. Paste the copied channel link into the little rectangle. Tap Enter on your keyboard. Select Save. Now let's view the Facebook business page as a visitor and see how it appears. This is how it appears, but you can see that it doesn't look so neat, so here's how we can correct that. Exit this page and go back to links in your Facebook business page bio. Follow the previous process to locate links. Now remove the old link and insert the channel username prefixed with the @ symbol. Tap Add Social Link. Select Preferred Social. Type or paste your username into the rectangular space provided, and select Save. Now let's go back once again and view our Facebook business page as a visitor. You can see this one appears much nicer than the old format. Regardless, either ways are good, so choose the method that works best for you. Kindly leave a comment and a like. Thanks for watching.